Hello friends! Welcome to our tutorial where you will learn how to download and execute our trial license for any of our products. First, in your browser, enter at developer.workwithplus.com. If you already have an account created in our system, simply log in. If you don't, you need to create one by clicking Sign Up below. There, you enter your information and choose a password as shown. And you can also select the products you're interested in so that we can possibly send you information later on. Once you're registered, you will see the versions for our products that correspond automatically to the GeneXus 17 upgrade. If you wish to see our products for other available versions, simply select it on the bar displayed at the center and all the versions will be displayed. Now select the trial version you wish to download and click on the button below. When the file is downloaded, you simply do right-click and extract the file content. The installer will appear. If you have the GeneXus server, please mark the corresponding box at the center. If not, leave it blank. Then you click on the three dots at the right and you need to find the root where you have your GeneXus folder and you select it. Then click on Next. The installation will be completed and you simply click on Finish. To get started, our documentation center will open automatically in case you need further information on our products, how-tos, WorkWithPlus Academy courses, and versions available. Then the GeneXus License Manager will open. If it doesn't open automatically, you can select it from your browser. At the top, you can filter your searches and select the trial version you just downloaded. In this case, we downloaded WorkWithPlus for Web Trial, and you simply select it and click on Authorize. Then select Request Licenses and click on Next. Then Authorize Online and click Next. And finally, click on Finish. A browser will open automatically, where you need to enter your personal information such as name, email, company and country as shown. Once you're done, you click on Send. You will see a confirmation on the browser and receive an email a few moments later. Here you need to download the document attached, which contains the keys to your trial license. In the GeneXus License Manager, you will be able to find our trial license. To activate it, you select it, click on Authorize. In Action, select Enter Licenses and then Next. Select Authorize from File and then click Next. You need to browse the file and find the one you just downloaded. Then you select it and click on Finish. And then you click on OK. In the GeneXus License Manager, you will see your trial version approved and the number of days you will have it available for free. All of our trial versions are available for 1 full month. Once you have finished the installation process, you are ready to enjoy some of our features and boost your productivity in GeneXus. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further doubts, please contact us.